So if you had to give today a grade, a letter grade on the weather, I'd probably give it like a BB plus. I mean, we got sun, we got dry, and it's starting to feel just a little bit sticky.
I'm gonna go higher because I like it warm.
Same, yeah.
Yeah, I could do like an A minus.
Yeah.
I don't know what an A plus would be. It's seasonally, of course, adjusted.
Yes.
You know, there's some days in September that I'm like, yep, this is like the perfect day. But really nice today, and we had a lot of sun, which was nice. Sometimes with the heat and humidity, you got more clouds, and it's a little more variable. This was a consistently warm day, and we had the sun out there too. 91 in Sanford for a high, 92 in Freiburg. Those are the warmest spots, actually, well, in the state, because Portsmouth came into 94, which is actually surprisingly warm based on the pattern. Down East Maine, 70s there for high, and that we expected that onshore flow was going to be a problem for them. Dew points are in the 60s right now, so it's not at the absolute top echelon of how sticky you can get around here, which you think about being like 73, 74 or so. But it is certainly noticeably more humid than it's been over the last few days. That'll be the story overnight tonight too, mostly clear, sticky, pretty warm. We start tomorrow with some sun probably initially. It's warm, it's still sticky obviously, and then we get some thunderstorms to develop along this front. This front has sped up over the last few days, which has slightly reduced its severe weather potential, because if the front held, we'd have more of the day to destabilize the atmosphere. That doesn't look to happen anymore. So this front will come through kind of a late morning through the middle of the day into the mountains. Still, though, a severe risk along the coast and inland, because we aren't going to bring the storms through there until about 3 to 6 o'clock. The models have gone back and forth in what they think this is going to look like, but there will be some thunderstorms out there, a few of which could be severe. I think that's the best way to put it. And then this front is offshore by about 7 p.m. After that, our wind direction shifts. It's not drastic, but we reduce humidity, and you do notice it definitely by Saturday morning that dew points are down. Saturday is a beautiful day, 80 to 85, and a lot of sunshine in there. So the Storm Prediction Center has put us in a low-level risk. Just a reminder that in this part of the country, we really don't ever play up here. As far as risk zones, where 1, 2, or 3 is a big deal. So a low-level risk doesn't mean it's nothing, I guess is what I'm trying to get across here. Heavy rain, gusts of wind, straight-line winds, and also some hail are a possibility. Saturday looks really good, as we talked about. If you were with us yesterday, I was talking about how I was a little nervous about Sunday because there was some rain nearby, and one of the models actually gave us a pretty rainy day. Good news is there's not really that rainy day on the table anymore. I think we're going to get away with it on Sunday. If anything, maybe a shower over southern Maine late in the afternoon, but I didn't even put that in the forecast. I think we're going to probably just make it. Monday looks pretty good, mid to upper 80s, kind of hot again, gets sticky through the middle of the week. And some chance of thunderstorms on Tuesday, perhaps again on Wednesday. Neither of those days are washout, just kind of pop-up stuff. And then much cooler, drier, back to that fall-like feeling into Thursday. And the indications are we will start August a little bit cooler than average, but it's also a very, very hot time of the year. So I don't think that's going to be a problem for us. It's not,
and it looks like a solid stretch.
Yeah, it really is, especially if we get away with Sunday, which I think we will. That skews the whole thing.
If we can make it through Friday, if we can make it through June,
Yeah.
right, Friday will not be a big
exactly.
deal. That's what I meant to say. Thanks, Keith.